happy welcome to Healthier Home Live. I'm Jen, and I love all things cleaning, and thank goodness I have Ken because I know nothing of all things cleaning, and Ken does. He's the champion of cleaning. Hi, Ken.
Like Rocky. Yeah.
Yes, today we are going to be talking about something, just kind of one of the worst jobs in the house, clean. He says, no, you're going to make it easy for us.
Uh,
We're going to talk about cleaning our bathrooms. Listen, I have 2 young boys, 3 young children. Not to call out the boys or anything, but sometimes the aim is off.
yeah.
So yeah, what are you going to be talking to us about today, Ken?
Well, I mean, I always get excited to think about this because why is it everybody loves cleaning the bathroom? Just loves it. Why does everybody love it? They don't. Nobody really loves it. It's one of the worst tasks for most people. And some of it comes down to a little bit of knowledge. That's all it really is. Because bathroom cleaning, we call it cleaning, but many times it's not really cleaning as much as it is breaking down soils. If you're cleaning around a sink and you got hair and, miscellaneous things around the sink, that may be one thing cleaning, but a lot of bathroom cleaning is hard water stains, calcium, soap scum, and they require what's called a low pH formula that will help break down those soils. In fact, if you look at a lot of times, if you take some calcified, even a penny, and put it in a low pH product, you'll see it fizzing because it's actually exchanging ions and it's breaking down those types of soils, those bathroom soils that are very prevalent. So it's not like you're taking something, spraying it on and wiping. And if you use a traditional cleaner, like an all-purpose cleaner, any national brand or something like that, you're not going to really get the results you're looking for because what you're actually looking to do is break down that soil. You're not really spraying and wiping. So you need a specific chemistry to do that. But do you remember, Jen, back in school when there'd be film days?
Yes.
You'd walk into the classroom and what would you see?
Well, for me, it was the rolly cart. We had the rolly cart that they had the TV and the VHS player on, and they would wheel it into the room. It was like, yes, the lights are going to get turned out, and I can have a little nap. No.
Well, I hope they're not going to have a nap here, but we've got some really cool videos that explain a lot of this stuff. It kind of walks through it. So without further ado, I think we should get to some of these videos. And
You're going to show us some videos on cleaning? I can't wait.
It's pretty cool stuff, actually, and it's me kind of being funny with some things, but it's all true. It's all true. There's great information in there.
So all right, so let's see some breaking down of soils, Ken.
Another edition of A Healthy Home, and today we are going to talk about my friend, the toilet, our often neglected boohoo toilet that just doesn't get the attention that it should. But here we intentionally left the toilet sit for a couple months to build up. We're by a shower, so we're getting calcium, water buildup, all kinds of stuff. And, again, here we are using a product, Bathroom Magic, which is a nature-based organic acid. That's lactic acid. So it doesn't matter what we're cleaning, the surface. It's great on everything. You can clean porcelain, fiberglass, chrome, stainless steel, plastic, any surface you've got in the bathroom without fear of causing damage to the surface. And I'll tell you something, there's a lot of products out there that have very dangerous chemistries or abrasives inside of them, and nothing is going to improve chrome when it leaves the factory. It's as good as it's going to get. So any product that scratches, any product that's extremely radical with the pH level is going to damage chrome. It's going to damage, and if you've got abrasives, it's going to damage fiberglass. So you have to be very careful what you're doing. But here you can tell this product immediately starts to break down the soils that are on the surface. So just a light agitation is all you really need. And again, because this is such a benign chemistry, and I know everybody's skin is different, but you can use it and not have it biting on your skin. This light gel actually goes right to the target area, which is great. And it doesn't get airborne, which is just a huge issue if you notice in bathrooms. If you're coughing and gagging, that's because the chemistry is airborne. It's getting into your lungs, and your lungs are telling you, let's get out of here. So that, is avoided by having a product that's built the way this one is. So you can see, I mean, we've done a very easy task here of breaking down the soils. We can just give it a nice gentle wipe, and we've got the surface looking sparkly clean, which is really cool. And look at that. I mean, we go from months of buildup, calcium, water stains, to looking like a brand new toilet that no matter what kind of stomach flu you got, you wouldn't worry about putting your head in that one. So that is super cool. And we're going to continue on in the next video showing you a little bit more about the shower doors. Well, the delivery system's different. We know the chemistry's different. We've got a naturally derived organic product inside the bottle, and it's delivered in a very unique gel that keeps problems away from your lungs and skin. So let's come over here and let's talk about some of the other, what's different about this product from other products as well. Many other products in the marketplace, you got to watch, they'll have things called abrasives inside the product, and abrasives can't be used on brushed metal, which is a lot of these fixtures on here. Can't be used on plastic, can't be used on chrome, can't be used on fiberglass, because it'll damage it permanently once it scratches it. So you have to be very careful that those aren't in there. None of that is in here on this product. Come on in here a little bit, we'll take a look. These are some of the typical things we see in a fixture, where you've got this buildup, this hard water stain buildup that's either on the fixtures or on the sink itself. Sometimes it's on, if you can get in here close and take a look at that, it can get all over the place. So you've got one product that you can use and really not worry about any of this. Again, we're back on this where we've got Bathroom Magic hard water stain remover with a product on here that, again, it's going to cling to these surfaces. Again, the same thing we noticed last time. This does not get airborne. This goes right to the target area, and it starts doing its thing, which is, you know, really great. So if you want to have a nasty stain like that, where you just let that product sit, the longer it sits, it's going to do its thing. It's be less work for the end user. But just like this on what we're talking about, let's get down here and we'll take a look. All that buildup that was on here, we can break that down with just some light agitation. And again, because there's no abrasives in the product, you're not going to have to worry about damage to the surface, no matter the surface, if it's a brushed metal, plastic, chrome, fiberglass, you know, typical surfaces that are often in the bathroom. You're not going to have to worry about that. So you can clean the surface with little worry about those types of things. And again, depending on the surface and how much buildup is on there, if you've got something that's got 10 years of buildup, it might take longer to break down, but you're not going to have to worry about damage to it. One thing you don't get to see on a video, unfortunately, is how nice this product smells. And I can just see on some of these things where we've got a tight surface, you might want to even take a brush and give it a little agitation. That would certainly make it easier. See a surface that goes from a lot of buildup to something that's pretty darn spotless. And it does it without any of the toxicity. You're not getting dangerous chemicals in your lungs or airways. You get a pleasant scent. And you can see how all that is nice and clean. And come back over here, take a look. Again, we're talking about all that buildup that was on here. No damage to the brushed metal, no damage to the fiberglass. Healthier Home by Chomp. Hi, this is Ken again with Chomp Solutions with another edition of A Healthier Home. And today we're going to talk about cleaning in confined spaces and how to do it safer, better, quicker, easier, all those good things. And we're going to do it in a way that makes it better for your family, better for your pets, better for your kids, because we're using a technology that lowers toxicity, and it's got some other benefits that we'll talk through during the course of this. Okay, first, in the bathroom, this is one of our typical things we're talking about cleaning. Hard water stains, calcium, lime buildup. Those are, you typically have two types of stains in a bathroom. These types, and then molds and mildew, which we'll talk about later. I got a great product for that as well, and a great solution. Again, this is all about better breathing, and you're not going to have the toxicity. So the first thing that we're talking about with this guy, this product again is Healthier Home Bathroom Magic Hard Water Stain Remover. And it's got a very cool delivery system and a very cool technology inside the product as well. And you're seeing that this goes on really differently than other products. It's a gel, so it wants to hang on the soil and start to break that down all by itself. But the big thing with that is the gel does not get aerosolized into the room where you are. And I've got a bottle here with just H2O in it, just some water, and I'm just going to show you when you take a typical chemical and spray it, you get misted liquid into the air, and that goes everywhere, including your lungs, which is the big issue when you're in a bathroom. You start coughing and gagging, your lungs are telling you get out of here. It irritates horribly the lung tissue, and now your body's got to fix it, because that's actually destroying, especially when you've got dangerous chemicals in those bathroom cleaners, which almost all of them are. Almost every chemical company takes a shortcut and they say, let's use radical chemistry to clean something, but they don't care about the end user, what's actually happening to their lungs or happening to their skin, happening to their kids, their pets, their families. So now you see this product is just hanging on there, unlike a lot of other products that are in the marketplace that just want to run off. This is just hanging on that surface, and it doesn't matter that it's vertical. It's completely vertical. Look at this little guy right here, just hanging. See, hi, I'm right here. I'm working. I'm doing my job. But it starts to break down these soils, and so we can take either a sponge and clean these guys up. Just, first of all, you got no nasty smell in the air at all, which is really cool. That's very different. Something you'll notice right away when you start using the product. It's very cool. Now these little nubs on here, maybe it's easier sometimes. I'm just winging this a little bit, but maybe it's easier. You might want to take a brush and break that down, because the bristles obviously get into where a sponge can, and they can get into these little pinholes in a shower, which is usually problematic. But the cool thing, just like that, you've got that broken down. I'll take an after shot when we get this all done.
I have to say, it really does work like magic. So as Bess is pulling up that final recap for us, I do want to say that this product really does work like magic. You put that gel on the thing and you just let it sit there, and you can kind of see stuff before you even agitate anything. You can really see it start to melt away. It's pretty amazing.
Right, and keep in mind that the dwell time is actually a good thing with bathroom cleaners. So again, it's why we do gel things. So you just spray it, let it set for a little bit, because it does have to, like I say, there's an ion exchange going on. It'll start to break down that hard water stain and the calcium. It's never going to be something that you can just spray and wipe. It does need a few minutes to actually do its thing, do what it's designed to do.
Yes, I have to remind myself of that, because I'm kind of like an instant gratification person sometimes. I spray it on and I kind of want to wipe it away right away. So thank you for that reminder.
So again, here we sit on there just recapping here. We've got a product with no harsh fumes, and it's got a pleasant grapefruit scent, which is outstanding. The Smart Gel clings to a surface, even if it's a shower door or vertical surface. So you can apply it, let it do its work on its own. Sing a song. What if you'd like to sing a song? Go back and agitate and rinse.
I love that. Actually, fun fact, on Grey's Anatomy, they talked about one of the doctors having to scrub for a certain amount of time, and she sang respect in its entirety. So now that's what I'm going to do while I'm cleaning my bathroom and pretend that I am a surgeon from Grey's Anatomy.
I think I'll stick with that. We'll go with respect. You mean Aretha Franklin's Respect, right?
I do.
That's a good song.
Yeah.
So again, if you remember, I said it's an abrasive-free formula, so it's safe enough to be used on any surface, whether shower doors or fixtures. And here's a big one for me. If we slide down this a little bit, there we go, right there. Stop right there. You got little kids, you got a family you're worried about. You've got a healthier version of a cleaner. You're not going to have to worry about little kids with tiny lung passages breathing harsh chemicals while you're in there cleaning. It's a much better option for the family.
Yeah, I absolutely love it.
And then we got some before and afters, whether it's and these are real time. This is exactly the fixtures we were looking at. This is a bathroom spigot that was loaded with hard water stains. In our area, we've got tons of hard water, so it's very easy to replicate this time and time again. But that easy, spray it on, let it sit for a little bit, agitate it, rinse, and you're going to have that same after picture. Oh, it looks like a new fixture.
It really does. I mean, come on. It cannot get any better than that. So again, you guys, this product is called Bathroom Magic. You can find that at healthierhomeproducts.com. That's the website to find all of Ken's amazing Chomp products. Is there anything else you want to give us a tip about that doesn't involve after dinner mints and toothpaste?
Actually, yes. Today, I want to give a shout out to my son, Kyle, who this week is headed to Arizona for some advanced military training. He's going to be gone for many months, which I'll miss him. Great kid. With him all the luck and all the love I can take from my heart. It's all his.
Thank you so much for your service, Kyle. And you're going to be great. We're all rooting for you over there in Arizona and wherever the future brings you. So thank you for everything you do for us.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, Ken getting weepy on me and I'm getting the vapors. What are you doing?
I can't say I love him any more than any father, but I could say easily I couldn't love him any less.
Oh, Ken, that's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Thank you, Ken, for the beautiful sentiment there at the end, and also for all of your advice week to week. We're here every week talking cleaning with Ken. Thanks so much, Ken, and we'll see you all next week.